Hi guys, Sam here from Landscape Plus. Today we are going to show you how to completely factory reset the Claber Video 2 Plus timer, and we're also going to show you how you can remove just one of the two irrigation cycles. So when you open your timer up here, you can see you've got the time is 8:02, we've got zone 1 opening at 1 AM, closing at 10 past, and then 2 opening at 6 PM, and closing at 10 past. So you've got two options with resetting. You can reset just one of the two times. So if you go into the close screen and then press and hold the two arrows at the same time, you can see that has gone to 0, as has the open for irrigation cycle number 2, whereas number 1 is still there, and so is the time. You can also press and hold both arrows. You have to hold them for about 15 seconds, and this will factory reset the entire timer. So there you go, it's gone to no time set, nothing on 1 or 2, days of the week are all there, and back to the time again. So that is how you factory reset and remove one of the irrigation cycles on the Claber Video 2 Plus timer. If you need any other help, give our team a call, we'll be more than happy to help.